Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, December the 1st. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. So today we'll be looking at the chart of the Nasdaq. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We can see a rally from November 10th as 5 waves. It's a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we do have an overlap here, but this could be a diagonal, so it's not really an issue here. We could be ending with 1 right over here. So based on this count here, we ended 2, and then we are now within the wave 3 in the primary degree, right? Sorry, in the minor degree here, and then we are ending 1 here, 1 in a black, right? 1 of 3 here, and then we should be looking for wave 2. One after we finish this 5 waves up, we should be looking for a wave 2 followed by another leg to the upside, as long as we stay above 11,505 over here. Now there are many different alternates. Let's talk about some alternates here. One alternate could be that we are not ending with 5, we are ending with 1 or 5. Now in that case, we can continue to go up here, extending higher within the this wave 5 of 1, right? So this is not bearish. Just because we are calling for a pullback, when we are calling for the upside, doesn't necessarily mean it is bearish. So you can see overall the view is calling for further upside in the Nasdaq here. Okay, so one of the alternates that we could be ending 105 here. Now what about the other way, a bearish alternate? Well, the bearish alternate suggests that, let's take a look at the larger time frame. This is the 4-hour chart. So for now, again, this is your wave 2, that means this is your wave 1. So we're talking about 5 waves up that started from November the 3rd, in which this looks like a impulse 1, 2, and then now within wave 3. And again, based on this one, we're looking at a 1 of 3 to end soon, followed by pullback 2 of 3, and so on, right? So the idea then is it remains bullish in any pullback against this low, November 11. So as long as the pullback from the peak is going to stay above November 11, we are calling the Nasdaq to continue to go higher, and tips will be finding support, finding buyers, right, in 3, 7, 11 swing. Now secondly, another alternate here is, if we look at the rally from the September 21st here, right, you can see right here. Now we have not been able to break above September 2nd yet, right? So now I think the key is this level here. The key, if we can continue to go up here and we can break above September 2nd, which is 12,465, currently is 12,377, not really that far away. I think if we can break above 1, that will increase the chance tremendously that we're gonna break above September 2nd. Now if we do get a break above September 2nd, then we make a new all-time high, and then that will suggest, okay, the next leg higher has indeed started in Nasdaq, right? But I think one thing that we do need to keep in mind is also the possibility that we can see this pullback here. This is the biggest pullback we got here, September 21st. Since then here, we also can count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So technically, if you measure the length of this is shorter than this. So if you want to call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this has to be longer than this. Now we have not reached the equal leg yet, so then another possibility is we are actually ending a 5 waves as a diagonal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you draw it like this, a diagonal like this. So then the pullback that comes from here then is not just going to be correcting the cycle from November 10th, like what we are proposing here in that kind of scenario, but the scenario then suggests that we could be finishing the entire cycle from September 21st, and then we will do the bigger correction, the bigger three waves like this, to correct this entire rally, right, from September 21st before it goes higher again. So we got two sort of levels to pay attention to. Again, the most bullish, which is what we are calling here, is going to be bullish against this November 10, right? So any pullback, as long as this pivot is okay, is holding, then we continue to keep pushing it to the upside. And then second option is going to be, if this pivot fails, right, then it will be possible for the index to correct the entire rally from September 21st. Then you can make this as a 5-way diagonal, and then you can do a larger three pullback first before the rally resumes again. Okay, so shorter cycle, very simple, right? I'm just presenting the alternate, doesn't mean, you know, we got confused. So a lot of people don't like to understand alternates, but alternate is a fact of life. Nothing is 100% in trading, unfortunately. So alternate is necessary to understand because it makes us aware of the risk that there is always an alternate path in the market. It's not going to be 100% in trading, right? So here, as long as the pullback stays above this shorter cycle, then we like it higher, and we like to continue to push Nasdaq higher. If this pivot fails, there's a possibility we are correcting larger degree cycle from September 21st. All right. So for further updates on Nasdaq or other indices or other instruments, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial. Today is the last day, last chance to get a Black Friday sale, where you can get 2 months for the price of one. So if you are planning to, then this is the last, the last chance to secure that deal. So I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.